Right, you can get out.
But red is on right, yes?
Red is on the right.
Red's on right.
Red's on the right. So you gotta go this way. The red is on the right. What's going on? Right.
And then B, you have to do the wrong.
Where's B?
B's over here.
These two trees, but since the red has to be on the right, you don't move around.
Ah, you don't jump over that, I take it. No, not in the carriage.
So you're going to have to say whether, if you got a pony, you can make that turn. If you don't, you got to go around.
So you're supposed to figure out the most efficient, best way for your horse or pony. B. And then flip to the left. Because there's C. Yep. Flip to the left. There's C. Oh, in order, I get it. I see. Right,
Red on right.
And then you have to come out and go.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Come out over here, and then go this way
Through D. And then hang another left to go through the gate.
Yes, to get out.
Okay, this is D, but that's F.
Yeah, but that's X.
It's on the.
Well, there's E.
Yeah, that's backwards.
Well, you know.
But this is exit, yes?
That actually is. I made a mini option, so sometimes we have mini so that they don't
Okay.
have to go.